Hello, fifth graders. We're going to talk about what your digital footprint is. Your digital footprint is a record of your information that's left online. It's all your social media activity, personal websites, browser history, subscriptions, and any photos and videos you've shared. It's anything online that has your name attached to it. Some tips to manage your footprint is to always use privacy settings and make your accounts so people can't view them that you don't know. Delete your old accounts you don't use. Don't overshare. Never share your address, phone number, or birthday, or anything that you'd be embarrassed if your grandma or teacher saw. Always skim the terms and conditions, and always be kind online. You want to make sure the footprint you do leave is a positive one. You want it to be beneficial to your image, not harmful. If you have any questions about how to set your privacy settings or wonder if something's appropriate online, just ask your trusted adult. Bye!